Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert documents to PDF. We'll explore the most common and efficient methods available today. First, we'll look at using the built-in functionalities within popular word processing software, which offers a straightforward approach. Then, we'll dive into the convenience of online conversion services, perfect for quick tasks. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to easily transform your documents. Many word processors, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, offer direct PDF conversion. Simply open your document, navigate to the File menu, and choose Save As or Export. From the Format options, select PDF. You might find additional settings to customize your output, like specifying a page range or adjusting image quality, ensuring your final PDF meets your exact needs with just a few clicks. For quick conversions without dedicated software, online services are incredibly useful. Websites like Adobe Acrobat Online or Smulpt allow you to upload your document directly. After a few seconds, the service processes your file and provides a download link for your new PDF. Always ensure you use a reputable site, especially when dealing with sensitive information, to maintain data security and privacy during the conversion process. To ensure the best results, always review your newly created PDF for any formatting discrepancies. Sometimes, complex layouts might shift slightly. For larger documents, consider the file size. Some converters offer compression options to reduce it by several megabytes. Finally, when converting documents containing sensitive data, prioritize tools that offer strong security and privacy policies to protect your information throughout the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.